Normally what you do with Babara, you only dry it, you pound it, and then you have got this powder like meal. You don't do it any other way. So today I'm going to teach you how to make this in a bottle. It is very similar to this baked beans in tomato sauce that you will see in the shop. But we don't put tomato, but it is very similar. So then that you call it Babara salad. It is not in your papers, so you can take notes. What I did last night, I soaked it in water. You have to soak it in water for the whole night. The next morning you can cook it. So we put it in the pot, you can do that. Make it like this. If you bite it, it is soft, you can taste it. So take it out of the water, you put it in the pot. Okay, today the first thing that goes to bottles from us will be this chilies. They will be ready first. So we have to prepare our bottles. Because it's boiling hot water. But like I say, all these bottles, they are already cooked in a pot with water. So they are germ-free. Those are the bottles that I've picked up. It will not always crack because I know I take chances. But it happened to me several times that I've got maybe 20 bottles of jam. Then I come to number 15, put in the jam, then it explodes, then it cracks. Then there maybe was a very thin hairline crack, I did not see it. So it is dangerous.
What I do, I take a pot and you just put a little bit of water.
The bottle can crack. But if it did not crack yet, you are lucky. Yeah. Then that is good. Then you've got an angel looking after you. You know our custard. Let me show you the salt custard. Maybe some of you remember if you were here before. We believe before you go into your kitchen, you have to make your kitchen good. The whole feeling of the kitchen good. It was gone. Now I'm going to put 3 cups brown vinegar, 3 cups white sugar, and salt. Salt you put to taste. Then cook it again, then bottle. Yes, you can come and check. I think everyone can come and check. So for me it feels wrong, but we will do it like this. So 3 sugar, 3 vinegar. You can put a little bit of syrup, which I don't. Then you put your salt back to the stove. So 3 cups. So it depends on how much beans you have. If you have a bit more beans, you add 4. Or if it is less, you put 2. It always must be the same, Okay, I put 1 now, 2. Salt.
Just like that, oh, don't bend it. Oh, thank you.
See, it's a bit sweet and sour,
Yeah.
Put it in the bottle. Like this, you can see it's thick already. So when it is cold, it will be more thick. So I'm not going to crush anything. For me, it is 100%. So this one we call
like
efukwa salad.
I think that one you can do it without sugar because it's thickened and it's.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh, but you know the problem is we love sugar.
It's same with beans. So you
Yeah.
can put sugar and then you can do that.
Yeah. It should work perfectly. But for me, we love sugar.
Oh.
I don't know.